Last night, Vietnam time, the United Nations General Assembly elected new members to the UN Human Rights Council for the 2026-2028 term.
And the session brought together 190 UN member states eligible to cast their votes. As a result, Vietnam, along with 13 other countries, was elected to one of the most important bodies of the United Nations. Reporting from the UN headquarters in New York, our correspondents Tiến Anh and Hoàng Hải have more.
Vietnam 180.
Vietnam received the highest number of votes among Asia-Pacific countries and was the region's sole representative re-elected to the United Nations Human Rights Council for the 2026-2028 term after serving in 2023-2025. The 180 votes in favor of Vietnam reflect the strong confidence and high appreciation of UN member states for Vietnam's commitments and active efforts to promote and protect human rights, as well as its meaningful contributions and initiatives as a Council member during the previous term. With this third term on the Human Rights Council, Vietnam will continue to advance 8 priority areas, including improving the Council's operational efficiency, ensuring human rights in the context of climate change and digital transformation, promoting gender equality, and protecting vulnerable groups. Vietnam's successful election to the United Nations Human Rights Council today once again affirms the country's new posture, moving from an active and responsible partner of the international community to a nation marking more substantial and constructive contributions in shaping global agendas and common issues. Tiến Anh, reporting for Vietnam Today from New York.